There it is. Hey everyone, my name is Job. How are y'all doing today? Today I'm down here on the Niangua River. It's the day after Valentine's Day, and we're gonna try and see what we can catch. I'm here with my father, and hopefully we'll be able to land into some smallmouth and some trout. See how it goes. What are you doing down there, little buddy? What are you doing under my truck? See what we can make happen. Change it up. Gonna try using a rebel craw. See if I can catch any fish this way. Here we go. Found the root, and it's too far out there for me to just reel in. I'm afraid if I'm gonna pull hard enough that I'm gonna break my shock cord before my tippet and lose my sinking leader and everything. Aha, I got it all back. Turns out it was just a branch. Well, I think that's going to wrap it up for this location here. Unfortunately, we didn't catch any fish, and so we're going to move on to a different location, see how it goes. But it's just absolutely beautiful being down here. I actually been here at this exact spot since I was a little child, so it was really good to actually come visit again. So lead mine boat ramp, feel free to check it out anytime. It's a beautiful spot, and hopefully I'm going to come back here later on this year when it warms up and I'll be able to catch a lot of fish. Alright, so we're finally at our new location down here at Bennett Springs, and hopefully we'll actually be able to catch some fish here at this location. And we're not going to be able to stay here for long, unfortunately. Got to get us going home here pretty soon, but hopefully we'll have some luck. Here we go. All right. Yeah, I feel like I just may not be able to get it out there far enough for where they're at. So I think I'm gonna try the rebel crawl. Let it wind out, buddy.
Yeah. That transmission will hold, not to worry.
There it is. No.
This one?
Yeah, it was right there. I was just not even paying attention, and it was on it.
Smallmouth?
Trout. Just a slow retrieve. There it is. All right, a smallmouth. No. Yeah. All right, let's try to hook another one. Well, everyone, I think that's going to wrap it up for today. Unfortunately, I didn't catch anything on a fly rod, but I did cheat and use my open face, and I caught a smallmouth and hooked a rainbow trout, and I just don't know what I was doing right, but I did have a great time. It's just always fun actually being able to go out fishing, especially here on these beautiful Ozark streams, and so I'll see you next time.